How many cups of coffee did it take just to click on this video? Think about it. It's 3 p.m. A heavy fog rolls into your brain. You can't focus. You lose your train of thought. So, what's the fix? You grab another coffee, or you crack open an energy drink packed with synthetic chemicals. That gives you a quick spike of energy. But an hour later, the crash hits, leaving your brain even slower and more exhausted than before. Therefore, you become trapped in a daily cycle of depending on stimulants, and that brain fog only gets thicker. This is exactly what the industry wants you to do. But let's be honest. You know the real issue isn't just being sleepy. Think about your day-to-day. What was the last simple thing you forgot? Was it a password? Where you parked the car? The name of someone you just met? When that little blank space hits your mind, a silent panic sets in, doesn't it? You start wondering if your brain is aging faster than it should. Cognitive decline is a terrifying thought. We've been trained to treat mental exhaustion with stimulants, but stimulants don't repair anything. To truly care for your mind, you need to support your memory function, not shock it with chemicals. That is why modern science is finally looking back at 100% natural, plant-based compounds. But here's the catch. Trying to find these rare ingredients in nature by yourself is almost impossible today. Our environment is filled with toxins and contaminants, making it incredibly hard to get them in their purest form. This is exactly why NeuroPrime was created. It's not a giant pill. It's not a jitter-inducing energy shot. It's a natural formula focused purely on supporting your memory function using 9 incredibly powerful ingredients. Things nature took millennia to perfect, entirely non-GMO, and constantly tested for absolute purity against toxins and contaminants. And the best part of your new routine? It's stupidly simple. You just shake the bottle and take a single drop a day, preferably in the morning. You can drop it straight into your mouth, or even mix it right into that morning coffee. If you don't feel your mind getting sharper, they offer an ironclad 365-day, 100% money-back guarantee. You literally have an entire year to test it completely risk-free. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly what bizarre ancient fungus makes up this formula and why scientists are so obsessed with it. But if you want to start clearing that brain fog today, the link to our store is right down in the description.